Happy Friday. Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing out there on this Freedom Friday? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome. If you're here for the first time and you haven't checked out this project, guys, the link is on the screen and it's in the description. Go check out this program at www.thecopypastemethod.com if you're ready to learn how to make $300 to $600 payments a day promoting e-learning digital products. All right, so this is just a quick reminder. We have a Zoom today, okay, that's going to explain this program from A to Z. So I want you guys to get on it. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get on my list. I'll be sending out another email so that you can register, okay, so that you can get on the Zoom. You can hear it and see it live. You can get your questions answered on the Zoom, okay, right on the Zoom. All right, so I want to show you what's going to be talked about today. All right, this is a system you definitely want to check out, guys, because we also have some new things coming down the pipe. Okay, we got 3 more products. They're going to talk about that today on the Zoom as well. So guess what that means? More streams of income. We already got 4 products that we're promoting right now. 4 digital products. We're going to be adding 3 more with the community, not IPS, but DGC. Okay, but because if you purchase the IPS products, you're going to be able to get access to those 3 products for only $29 through our community. All right, so let me pull this up real quick here. Hang on a second. All right, so real quick, check it out. You want to register, go ahead and get on my list, because I'm going to be sending out another blast email right before the webinar. I'm sending one out this morning. We'll send another one out right before the Zoom. So Digital Profit Mastery, unlocking 100% profits with just 2 hours a day. Guys, you're going to learn all about it today, 12 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, so join us, learn the secrets to selling digital products with 100% profit, discover how to automate your business for passive revenue, cut your workday down to just 2 hours without sacrificing success. Okay, your digital entrepreneurship journey is about to get a major upgrade. So be there today at 12 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get on my list so I can send you the link. Okay, so the 4 products we have, let's cover them real quick. Let's jump over here. And then you get on this Zoom today and get all the information. All right, let's take a look here. Let's come down. The 4 products, I like to start at the top. The top #1 selling product is the Premium Super Affiliate, because if you purchase this one, you're all in. Okay, you leave no money on the table. You're going to be able to resell all 4 of these products over and over and over. You have the resale rights, okay, and you're able to earn $600 commissions, $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions instantly. So this is the #1, and then it's $59 for your website. So 600 plus 59, you're all in, business in a box. Okay, you get all 4 products and the resale rights. That's the #1. #2 selling product is the $300 pro level, the 6-figure blueprint. This one is 300 plus 39 for your website. The company's going to create your website. You get a website just like the one I have here. Okay, and that's 3 streams of income. If you get the Elite, it's $150. Okay, this is one-time payments, no monthly fees with these programs. Okay, this is member-to-member digital products e-learning. Okay, so $150 for this one plus $39, so $189, and now you have 2 streams of income. Okay, you have the $150 and the $50. The starter level is $50 plus $39 for your website is $89, but this is the only one you're going to be able to earn on, right? And you don't want to stay there. Even if you start there, just get your mind, get it in your head that you want to upgrade as soon as possible, right? Because you don't want to leave money on the table. Plus, you're going to learn more, right? Okay? So, but get in where you fit in. Those are the 4 products. The new launch, and you'll find out all about that today on the Zoom. The 3 additional products. Okay, that's coming. So that will be 7 streams of income, guys, that you can earn. And when I tell you, we give you step by step what you need to do. So no worries about that, whether you're technical or not. Doesn't matter what your age is. Doesn't matter what your background is. Okay, if you come with the mindset that you're going to succeed, you're going to be coachable, you're going to follow the steps, you're going to be consistent. That's it. Plug into the community, and you're good to go. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Just wanted to bring that to you guys for today. So go check this out. You can go right now and go to the website and check it out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, see what it's all about. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.